students, in this video we will try to solve exercise problems of 7.4. So this is your permutation formula. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Now what is your NCR? NCR is for C is for combination. Okay, it is equal to NPR divided by r factorial. Now put the NPR formula, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial, into r factorial. That is the only difference. Here r will be extra, r factorial will be coming in place of combination formula. Okay. Now the main thing is how to identify a question, okay, whether to use a permutation formula or combination formula. Now suppose in permutation, okay, now given any, write down any 2-digit number. Say 2-digit number is 21. Okay. Now what I have told you, permutation means arrangement. Arrangement, isn't it? Permutation means arrangement. So what are the different ways you can arrange this digit? So the ways can be, it can become 2, 1. If I replace their position, it will become 12. Isn't it? So now what happen is, in permutation, when you arrange their places, okay, the answer becomes different. Okay, say this is your AB. Now when you turn into BA, your answer will not be same as AB. Okay, that means what? Their order matters. Once you change their order, their position, answer will be changed. Okay, this number is 21 and this is 12. Okay, so no way it is a 2-digit number, but the numbers are different. So that is your permutation, where AB is not equal to BA when you change their order. Order matters in this case. Okay, now in place of combination, okay, suppose A is a boy and B is a girl. Okay, now if I take AB, then it will become boy and girl, boy into girl. Okay, now if I interchange their order, BA, what will happen? I will get girl and boy only. Okay, I will get the same answer, that is boy and girl only in this case. Okay, so what happens here is, in combination your order does not matter. Okay, so this is the way you are going to identify the question. Now there are some formulas you have to know. This is your combination formula, and one is given when question will be given when you will be comparing two combinations. Okay, NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Now when you get this type of question, NCR equal to something that is in this form, then this down one, when you do the sum, you will get the total number of objects. Okay, that is, here is R, no? R plus this N minus R. Okay, R minus R cancel, so you will get N, see, which is your total number of objects you got. Okay, now next is NCN equal to NC0 equal to 1. How? Okay, NCN, apply the combination formula. That is, combination formula is N, next is N minus R. It used to be R, isn't it? So this time it will be N minus N factorial by whatever down is there, again factorial. Okay, so N factorial divided by N minus N is 0 factorial into N factorial, and I told you that 0 factorial is equal to 1. Okay, so now N factorial, 0 factorial is 1 into N factorial. So N factorial and N factorial gets cancelled, remaining will be 1. So NCN is equal to 1. Okay, That means, example, if 2C2, answer will be always 1. If 5C5, answer will be always 1. Now NC0, similarly NC0. Apply the combination formula, n factorial by n minus 0 factorial by 0 factorial. N factorial, n minus 0 is n only, n factorial into 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1, answer is 1. Okay. Now next is again NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. This is your n plus 1. Similarly, what you can do is, if I ask you to prove this, first what you will do is check the left hand side and apply the combination formula for both, and you solve and you will get this to your right hand side. Okay. So I hope till here is clear. Now we will solve question number 1. Find NC8. If NC8 equal to NC2, find NC2. Okay. Now I told you, whenever two combinations are being compared, what happen is there, the lower values, that is your R values, when you do the sum, you will get this. You will equate the sum. Okay. And then we can find out what is my NC2. Now you see here. Now what I can find is, total this will be n. Okay. So my n is equal to 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Okay. Or you see NC8 equal to NC2. Now you have one formula. NCR is equal to NC n minus R. Okay. How to find the n value? Why? You see, there is one formula here. Okay. Now we can just equate. It is comparing two combinations. So in this case, my R will be 8, isn't it? R equal to 8, and here is equate n minus R will be 2. Okay. Now R I have 8. So R minus 8 equal to 2. Then I can find out my n. That is 2 plus 8 equal to 10. You can do it in both ways. Okay. Now what we have to find is NC2. I have got the value of n. So I will put here n equal to 10. That is 10C8. Once I calculate, I will get my NC2. Okay. So 10C8 equal to my NC2. I have to find this. Now put the formula, 10 factorial, 10 minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial. 10 factorial, 10 minus 8 is 2 factorial and 8 factorial. Now 10 is bigger than 8, so I can express into 8 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial. I can open up into 2 into 1 into 8 factorial. Now 8 and 8 can get cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 5 9s are 45. Okay. That is equal to my NC2. NC2 is equal to 45. Okay. Next is question number 2. Given twice NC3 is 2, NC3 equal to 12 is to 1. This is in the ratio form, so it will take in division form. Okay. So what I will write is, the first step will be twice NC3 divided by NC3 equal to 12 divided by 1. Okay. Now again same, put the formula, combination formula, NCR. That is n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. Okay. So what I will do is twice n factorial divided by twice n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial divided by NC3. N factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial equal to 12. 12 divided by 1 is 12 only. Okay. Now, when you solve this one will go up with this and this one will come like this. Everyone knows this. So first let me arrange first. Twice n factorial divided by twice n minus 3 factorial 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial divided by n factorial. Okay. Now you see here 3 factorial and 3 factorial will get cancelled. Okay. Now you see this 2n factorial. Don't make it separate this one, and you will cut this and this. Okay. Why I'm telling you not to cut is we have to reduce all this form. Now I have told you, if I open any factorial, the next term will be coming is minus 1 less. So if I open up this twice n, then what I will get twice n into the next factorial is minus 1 always. Twice n minus 1. Next will be twice n minus 1 minus 1. So it will become twice n minus 2. Okay. Then next will be twice n minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. Okay. Each time, first is twice n, first term. The next will be minus 1. The next will be this second term of minus 1. Like that. I have to reduce this. So, since from the upper part I will get this. So, twice n minus 3 factorial. Okay. Into this side. See, n minus 3 factorial is n factorial. N factorial is greater than n minus 3. So, I can, when I open this up, I can get this n minus 3. So, n minus 3 factorial divided by n into, the next term will be n minus 1. Next will be n minus 2. Next will be n minus 3 factorial. Okay. Now, this and this can get cancelled. And this can get cancelled. Okay. Now you see here this n and this n, now I can cancel. Okay. This n and this n I can cancel. So 2 twice n minus 1. Now you see here 2n minus 2. I can take 2 common. So it will become n minus 1. Okay. Into 1 by this side. Okay. N minus 1 and n minus 2 will be left, and this side is 12. Okay. Now you see why I took common, so that this and this I can cancel. Okay. So what is left with me is 4 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 2 equal to 12. Okay. Now I can solve this. 4 2 is 8n minus 4 equal to 12. You bring this n minus 2 this side, so this will become 12n minus 24. Okay. Now bring n the side. We have to find the value of n. So when you solve 12n, if it goes that side, then it will be minus 8n. 4n equal to 24, it will be 20. So finally my n will be equal to 5. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. We can find the value of n this way. Now similarly, Roman number 2, you will do it by yourself. So I hope till here it's clear to you. Now question number 3. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? Okay. Now the meaning is, you have a circle, okay? Circle. And you have how many points? 21 points are there, like that. There are 21 points. Okay. Now through those points, how many chords can be drawn? Now what is a chord? When you join like this, this is one chord. Okay. Say this is one chord. Now to draw one chord, how many points you need? Okay. 21 point means it is given 21 points. So My 21 will be here n. Okay, total number of objects or total number of points given to me is 21. Now I have to find out r. What is my r? Now for finding r, total number of arrangement is what r is. So first is you have to know through how many points a chord can be drawn. You see, this is one chord. So what you need is, you need two points for a chord, to draw a chord. So my r is going to be 2. Okay. Now the question is whether you will use permutation formula or combination formula. Okay, how to identify. Now you see, say this is your one example I'm giving you. Say this is a chord AB. Okay, and the length of this AB chord is 4 centimeter. Okay, now what I told you in combination means selection. That means your order should not matter. If you interchange their order also, your answer is going to be same. Now this is your AB. AB is 4 centimeter. Now if I interchange their place into BA also, I will get 4 centimeter only. Okay, so that means we are going to use, in such type of question, we will use a combination formula. Okay, now my formula of combination is NCR. So my N is 21 and my R is 2. Now just apply the formula. 21 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 21 factorial divided by 21 minus 2 is 19. Now 21 can be reduced to 19. So that this 19, I can cancel, open the 2 factorial, 2 into 1. Each time is going less. So 2 can be cancelled, 2 tens are 20. So 21 into 10 will give us 210 number of chords can be drawn through 21 points. Okay, clear? Now next question number 4. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? Now again one thing, what I have told you, combination means selection and permutation is arrangement. Now you see the word selected. Okay, here from the question also you can understand sometimes that this is a question of combination. Okay, now again, how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? Total boys we have 4 boys, 5 boys. Okay, and we have total girls is 4 girls. Now give the name of each boy. Example, Amit, Ram, Shamu, Raju, Manoj. Okay, 5 names are there. Say this is your A and this is your B, 4 girls. Sita, Gita, Mala, Meena. Okay, 4 girls. Now you see what I have told you, combination means if you make a pair AB, Amit and Sita, okay, AB will become Amit and Sita. Amit and Sita. If you interchange their order BA, what will happen? Again you will get Sita into Amit. Answer is same. AB is equal to your BA. That means we are going to use here a combination formula. Okay. Now you have 5 boys. Okay. Now we have to select in how many ways a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected. That means in one team you are going to have 3 boys and 3 girls. So 3 boys you are going to select from out of 5 boys, isn't it? So here my N is going to be 5 and my R is going to be how many? 3. See, number of boys I'm going to select from boys only, not girls. Okay. So here it will become 5C3. Okay. And 4 girls. Okay. Now we have to find out 3 girls out of 4 girls. My 4 girls is my total n. Total number of girls, 4. And my R is going to be 3. So here it will become 4C3. Okay. Now between these two, whether we are going to use multiply or addition, okay, how we are going to know? You see here, a team consists of 3 boys and 3 girls. That means 3 plus 3, 6. Now you see here, 3 plus 3 have become 6. Okay, have become 6. And this is your n portion, isn't it? N, CR and CR. So n, if you do the total, you are going to get, you have to get total number of boys and girls. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now you see here, 5 plus 4, 9. And you have to make a team of 3 boys and 3 girls. So 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Now you see here, in how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls? N means you are going to use multiplication. Okay. So you have to calculate in this way. 5C3 into 4C3. Total number of teams. Total number of teams. Okay. Of 3 boys and 3 girls from 4 boys and 5. The total number of team will be calculated. 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay. 5 factorial. 5 minus 3 will give 2 factorial into 3 factorial. 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial and 3 factorial. Okay. Now let's try to solve this. 5 factorial I can reduce to 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 2 factorial I can open up, 2 into 1 into 3 factorial. And this side 4 into 3 factorial. 1 factorial is 1 only. Okay. So 3 gets cancelled. This and this will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40. Total number of teams is 40. Okay. So I hope till here is clear to you. Now next is question number 5. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls. From 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. Of each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. That means total you have 6 red balls. 6 red balls. Okay. And 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. Okay. Now what we have to select, find the number of ways selecting 9 balls. Okay. I have to select 9 balls out of all these balls. Okay. Now those balls, out of these 9 balls, it must contain 3 balls of each color. That means these 9 balls will have 3 balls of each color. So 3 red balls and again 3 white balls and 3 blue balls. Okay. These 9 balls we have to select in this manner. Okay. Now like the previous one, I have to select 3 red balls. So total number of red balls is 6. That is my N, C and R will be 3. Okay. R will be 3. See here also find the numbers of selecting. Okay. Selecting 9 balls. That means here also you are getting the term selecting. So we are going to use here combination formula. Okay. Now you see here also the question is such that when you rearrange their order, I'm going to get the same answer. Okay, here also you see, if I rearrange the order also, ultimately I am going to get red, white and blue balls only. Okay, so it is a question of combination. 63, here also I have to select 3. Okay, so 5C3. For blue balls also 5C3, because 3 of each color. Okay, this 9 balls. So now you see total is 9. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, which will give us 9. And here is the total number of red balls, 6, 5 and 5. So total what you will get is, when you add all these balls, you will get 16. Okay, so it's fulfilling. Now we are going to use here multiplication or addition. Now you see, from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls, they are using the term n. Okay, from 6 red balls and white balls and 5 blue balls. So here also we are going to multiply. Okay, so what you will get, sentence you write it your way, total number of ways will be, you write it down, and then straightly I am doing. Okay, I am not doing in full. 6 minus 3 will give us 3 factorial by 3 factorial. Once you know the formula, you need not need to keep writing. 5 minus 3, 2 factorial into 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay, 6 into 5 factorial. So here I am left with 5 4s are 20 into 5 into 2 10 into here, so 5 into 2 10. Okay, this will be your answer. Next is question number 6. Determine the number of 5 card combinations out of a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. Okay, now total cards is, a deck of card consists of 52 cards. Okay, so total card is equal to 52. Okay, now we have to pick up 5 cards, and out of these cards, what it says that there is exactly one ace in each combination. That means one ace must be there. Okay, one ace, and the remaining 4 must be non-ace. Okay, like that. Now first we have to identify, we must know how many ace are there in a deck of cards. Okay, so out of 52 cards there are 4 ace. Okay, and the rest are non-ace. That means 52 minus 4 will give us 48 non-ace card. Okay, now we have to select 5 cards out of which exactly one must be ace. So I am going to select ace from here. That is one ace I need for C1. Okay, and the remaining will be 48C. 1 I have already taken. Total I need 5 cards. So here will be 4. 5 minus 1 will be 4. See, 4 plus 1 will give me 5 cards. Okay, out of this 52 cards I am going to select it this way. So here also what I am going to use will be multiplication. Okay, now you see total cards is 52. 48 plus 4 will give me 52. Okay, the question itself is saying it is a combination question. Okay, so now calculate this. 4 factorial, 4 minus 1, 3 factorial into 1 factorial, 48 factorial, 48 minus 4, 44 factorial into 4 factorial, 4 into 3 factorial. Once you can calculate this very easy, 48 into 47 into 46, 45 into 44, 44 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 44 will get cancelled, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Okay, now this 4 and this 4 also will get cancelled. Now this 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 is a 24. So I will be left with 8 into 47 into 46 into 45. You multiply all this and you will get your answer. Okay, so I hope question number 6 is clear to you. Now you see question number 7. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players? So total given is 17 players. Okay, 17 players. Now in which only 5 players can bowl. Out of these 17 players, only 5 is bowler. Okay, and the rest is 17 minus 5 will give us 12. 12 are non-bowlers. Okay, 12 are non-bowlers. Now we have to select a cricket team of 11. Now this 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. That means we have to select 11 players in which 4 must be bowlers, and 11 minus 4 will give us 7 are non-bowlers. Okay, now 4 bowlers I am going to select from total 5 bowlers, isn't it? So here it is going to be, my N will be 5 and my C will be 4. Okay, now the rest is out of 11, 7 will be my non-bowlers. So I'm going to select it from the non-bowlers part, that is 12, C, 7. Okay, now you see 7 plus 4 will give me 11, and this total will give me total players. 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, now here also I am going to use multiplication here. Okay, now you calculate this 5 factorial. 5 minus 4 will give me 1 factorial into 4 factorial. 12 factorial, 12 minus 7, 5 factorial into 7 factorial. So 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial, open up, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 7 factorial. Okay, or else what you can do is directly straightly you can cancel this both also. Any way you can do it. Okay, so 4 and 4 gets cancelled, this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, 7 factorial and 7 factorial will get cancelled, 4, 3 is a 12, 3 and 3 gets cancelled, this 2 is 5. So what you will get up is 11 into 5 into 9 into 8. Once you calculate this, you will get your final answer. Okay, the remaining 2 questions I am giving you as a homework. You try by yourself.